Number 1. Inhalation, Purakha. Sit in any comfortable position like Padmasana, Siddhasana or Virasana. Keep the back erect and rigid. Perform Janana Mudra with the hands. Inhale deeply and slowly until the lungs are filled with the air, and then retain the air as long as you can according to your capacity. In this asana, the yogi can retain the air for 1 minute, Kumbhaka. Inhalation is highly beneficial in coronary related problems. If one is able to hold the air for 30 seconds to 40 seconds, he or she is definitely free from coronavirus. Practice it for twice or thrice a day. Now exhale and lie down in Shavasana. And relax for a while. Number 2. Ujjayi Pranayam. Sit in Padmasana, Siddhasana or Virasana. Keep the back erect and rigid. Lower the head to the trunk. Maintain Jalandhara Bandha. Keep the hands in Janana Mudra. Close the eyes and look inward. Exhale completely. Now take a slow, deep and steady breath through both the nostrils. Hold the breath for a second or two. Then exhale slowly, deeply and steadily until the lungs are completely empty. Repeat the cycles for 5 to 10 minutes, keeping the eyes closed throughout. Ujjayi Pranayam is also very beneficial for coronary troubles. Relax. Lie down in Shavasana. And relax for a while. Number 3 is Kapalbhati Pranayam. Sit in Padmasana. Keep the back erect and rigid. Perform Janana Mudra with the hands. Now inhale slowly and deeply and exhale fast and vigorous. Practice it for 1 minute. Gradually, time can be increased up to 5 minutes. Kapalbhati Pranayam is highly useful in removing 90% ailments and incurable diseases. Relax, lie down in Shavasana. And relax for a while. Number 4 is Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Sit in Padmasana. Keep the back erect and rigid. Lower the head to the trunk. Perform Jalandhara Bandha. Stretch the left arm and perform Janana Mudra with the left hand. Bend the right arm at the elbow. Place the right thumb on the right side of the nose and the ring and little fingers on the left side of the nose, just below the nasal bone. Now inhale from the left nostril and exhale from the right nostril. Then inhale through the right nostril and exhale through the left nostril. Continue the cycle for 1 minute and the time can be extended up to 5 minutes. Anulom Vilom Pranayam is highly beneficial for heart diseases, low blood pressure, high blood pressure, mental stress, and coronary troubles. Relax, lower the hand, and lie down in Shavasana. And relax for a while.